Hi folks, I'm going to have a go at making a big moon jar today. Not made any of these for quite a while, so we'll see how we get on. Clay's a bit hard again, so I'm just going to centre this into a cone first. This clay is a bit hard, it gets a bit grippy as well, that's the thing, so I'll have to use a lot of water. So I'll just try and get a lot of this fixed up from the bottom with this part of my hand first. Again, it's starting to grip. And as always, just collar it in so it's narrow at the top, so it doesn't keep flaring out. So again, the first knuckle lift. Won't be going too thin at the top because I'm going to have to really flare this out, so I'll just lift it up a touch again, but leave it a bit thicker in the middle because, like I said, that's where it's going to all be really stretched out to make the wide part. So we'll just try and get a little bit more this thickness up from the bottom. Stop it there. Right then. Again, I'm just going to close the top in. So now's the tricky bit. It's just a matter of how far you dare push it by widening it out. So basically, just from the inside out, I'm just going to start to stretch it out. Steady as we go. Still quite grippy on the inside, so I need to get a bit more water in. Make sure the top stays nice and narrow. bit wider than that. Hat's going to fall off. I think that's about as far as we're going to get. Because as you see, it's getting quite horizontal now. It's going to lose all its strength. Like that. I think that's quite a nice shape. You have to find this sponge, which has also fallen off. Oh dear. Quite a lot of water in because it was quite gritty, so I did have to. Not too bad. There we have a largish moon jar. Pushed it about as far as I could. Perhaps go a little bit wider, but I'll just be asking for trouble because, like I said, the more horizontal it gets, it's just going to go into the middle. So anyway, that's my little effort.